What's going on, Postcard Marketing Pros? So today we got a preview. It's election day. Now, there's a lot about politics that are no good right now, but there is kind of one benefit of the increased partisanship that we have. Well, there's two benefits. The first benefit is increased voter turnout. We've got amazing voter turnout, which means a more representative democracy. So please take comfort in that despite everything else that's going on, more turnout is a better representation for everyone involved. So that's a great thing. The other great thing for you is that candidates have raised hundreds of millions of dollars to send me postcards to help you become a postcard marketer. So get your postcard hats on and buckle up, because in the next 3 weeks, you're going to see a ton of election mail teardown. Have a great election day, everyone.
Congratulations on learning a little bit more about postcard marketing. You did it. You've got two options now. First, you can chat with me live by going to sendwithscout.com and just clicking in the bottom right-hand corner. It's me, I'm there. Or you can subscribe for more of my content where we tear down great postcards. I talk to you about all of my latest strategies, and you too can become a postcard marketing expert.